Oh yeah, look at that melted cheese. Awesome. Have you ever tried making grilled cheese in a waffle iron? If not, try it. It's awesome. It's one of my favorite ways to make grilled cheese. It just turns out differently than doing it in like a skillet. And so what you'll do is you will just take your bread, we'll take some butter. You could also use mayo. Some people like to use mayo instead of butter. And we will just get this bread nice and coated with butter. Simple as that. And then we got cheese. I have cheddar cheese and provolone. Awesome. And then I heated up my waffle iron. Now it'll definitely depend on the type of waffle iron that you have. Make sure your slices of bread will fit in the iron. And I have this heated up, ready to go. This is my favorite waffle iron. And I'm going to take a slice of bread and put it in the middle. Butter side down. And then I'm going to take some cheese. I'm just using cheddar cheese. You use whatever favorite cheese that you want. I have mine cut up in little slices here. And then I'm going to take my provolone as well. Just put that on there. And then take the other slice. Butter side up, super easy. And then I'm going to pull this down. And then depending on your waffle iron, you might need to just hold it for 2 to 3 minutes for it to get nice and golden brown. Or mine, I'm going to keep pressing down gently, but firmly. And then I can turn it and let it cook. All right, after 2 to 3 minutes or so, I'm going to take a look. Awesome. Exactly how I want it to look like. And you may or may not have a little bit of butter and cheese that kind of seeps out of the side, which is totally fine. And then what I'm going to do is just take my tongs here and just grab the sandwich. Take it off of the iron and put it on a plate. Awesome. Grilled cheese sandwich made in the waffle iron. I'm going to cut it down in half. Nice and crunchy sounding. Oh yeah, look at that melted cheese. Awesome. Give it a taste. This is such a fun and yummy way to make a grilled cheese sandwich. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this some more. Oh yeah.